In the unforgiving world of Red Dead Redemption, survival depends on having the right weapons and knowing how to use them. Whether you're facing outlaws, wild animals, or the harsh elements, arming yourself with the best firepower is key to staying alive. From revolvers to repeaters, shotguns to sniper rifles, Red Dead Redemption offers a vast arsenal suited for different combat scenarios. Revolvers like the Cattleman Revolver are reliable for quick-draw duels, while the Schofield Revolver packs more stopping power. If you prefer rapid-fire action, repeaters like the Lancaster Repeater provide accuracy and speed, making them ideal for mid-range fights. For close-quarters combat, shotguns such as the pump-action or double-barreled shotgun deliver devastating damage. When it comes to long-range engagements, sniper rifles like the rolling block rifle allow for precise shots from a distance. Meanwhile, bows and throwing knives offer a silent, stealthy approach for hunting or eliminating enemies without drawing attention. Choosing the right weapon is only part of the strategy. Maintaining your firearms is equally important. Guns degrade over time, so regularly cleaning and upgrading them with better sights, grips, and ammo types can improve performance. Special ammo, such as explosive or high-velocity rounds, can give you the edge in intense battles. Beyond firearms, melee weapons like tomahawks, hunting knives, and even dynamite play a crucial role in survival. Sometimes, a well-placed lasso or a quick fistfight can be just as effective as a bullet. Mastering Red Dead weaponry is essential for survival in the Wild West. Whether you're facing bandits, bounty hunters, or the law, choosing the right weapon and knowing when to use it can mean the difference between life and death. Arm yourself, stay sharp, and ride on.